Para mí es aprender a cultivar, convivir con mis compañeros, mis vecinos y ahora sí que valorar más las frutas, los vegetales, el ver cómo su proceso me gusta.
1 out of 3 people in the Santa Cruz County are facing food insecurity. There is a higher rate of food insecurity than the national average. That shows us that even in this big agriculture-based community, there is still food insecurity. The Watsonville community is part of the Pajaro Valley, and we are located south of Santa Cruz, about an hour and a half south of San Francisco on the coast, and we are right above the Salad Bowl, so near Salinas, where a really big part of the agriculture produced in this country comes from. Food insecurity is when someone does not have access to food, and that can come in a variety of ways. That could be someone not having enough money to purchase groceries, someone not knowing where their next meal is coming from, a child is only getting their meals from school, or a parent is skipping meals at home so that their children can eat, and that comes with a lot of physical and mental stress. There are many factors that contribute to food insecurity in Pajaro Valley. Obviously, with there being parts of the city that are a food desert, there just quite literally are not enough places that can sell nutritious and affordable food. And for community members that don't have transportation, even getting to these food sources can be really challenging. And even though people are working in agriculture, not a lot of that food is going to the families or to the people that are growing that food. As a dietitian, I do believe that nutrition and food access is the most important aspect to someone's life, because the food that we eat and the nutrients that our body gives or gets is the most important aspect to our health. So for someone that is never meeting their nutrient needs because they are not eating nutritious food, every aspect of their life can be affected. Our organization, the Community Health Trust, we have several community gardens now where people can grow their own organic food, which is a really amazing way to bring food closer to the community and closer to a family if there is a space for you to grow it.
Vivo aquí en el vecindario de Mona Lisa. Ya tengo más de 20 años viviendo aquí. Para mí es primera vez que me reúno en un jardín comunitario.
Ya había escuchado de estos jardines y había visto en otras áreas. Y yo decía, ¿por qué nosotros nunca nos hacen algo así para tener en qué entretenernos, aprender de todo esto que se hace aquí?
Porque pues nosotros vivimos en espacios pequeños donde no podemos tener cultivos y aquí nos brindaron la oportunidad de poder, pues ahora sí que tener nuestra propia hortaliza.
Pues ahí no podemos plantar nada porque no, la ciudad no nos lo permite, porque supuestamente en esa área estaba contaminada. Entonces, por eso no tenemos ni el permiso ni el espacio tampoco.
Y me gustó más que nada para convivir con mis vecinos y para compartir pues ahora sí que los cultivos que tengamos y pues para decirnos unos buenos días y conocernos y apoyarnos aquí pues yo me siento como en familia cuando nos reunimos en este lugar.
It's been really nice to get outside and touch grass, essentially. I think it's understated the impact of nature. So I work 2 jobs and I commute to Palo Alto or San Jose. Not a lot of time that I have. So being able to grow something is really impactful. At least it relieves stress. It just makes me happy. And then you get to grow stuff and share it with people you love. And I bring my grandma here all the time. And she loves to just look at everything and walk around.
Our division at Solid Waste and Recycling has partnered with the community gardens in providing tons of valuable organic compost that comes from all of the green carts in the Watsonville homes and at all of our businesses here. I think people in the neighborhoods really appreciate having a green space right here. It brings in a lot of refreshing vitality. And it also brings in all of those amazing birds and animals and insects right here.
So we know that it's really important to have these green spaces for our community members, and especially for people that are living in apartments or in buildings that don't offer a space for gardens. Families sign up to choose one of these planter boxes, and then they can grow whatever food or herbs or plants that they would like in this box.
Gardeners like to talk about gardening, and we like to look at each other's gardens and see what's growing and learn from each encounter. You know, why are these tomatillos looking so great? What's going on in this bed? What's going to be coming up next week or next month? The more that people like to grow their own and take pride in consuming what they've grown, I think that it fosters a feeling of appreciation for our earth and the soil and what we can do to take care of it.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Cristina Vigil. Es la primera vez que me animo a agarrar un lugarcito así, porque pues yo soy de ciudad y la verdad no tenía conocimiento de cómo se plantan las cosas para la comida, ¿no? Pero pues será mi primera vez, no se me dieron las cosas, o sea, como yo pensaba que iba a ser fácil, pero pues de todas maneras, los que ya tienen más conocimiento, pues ahí nos apoyamos. El día de hoy vamos a cocinar unas calabacitas a la mexicana. Se sienten muy, muy frescas, a pesar de que están grandes, se sienten tiernas y todo, pues vamos a ver qué tal nos quedan. A ver qué tal nos quedan, porque pues sí, mire, está bien, están muy frescas, porque no están ni con semilla ni nada adentro. Se ven muy bien. A ver, vamos a ver si es cierto. A mí me gustan mucho las calabacitas así, mire, con su jitomate, cebollita y ya con cremita o queso para comérselas. No, hombre, están bien buenas. Creo que hasta con una me va a alcanzar para el lonche. Porque de hecho pues nos dijeron que podíamos plantar eso o plantar flores o pues que lo que quisiéramos, pero pues toda la gente queremos tener algo como pues para poderlo consumir, ¿no? Más que nada. Pues ese es todo el proceso de esta comidita. No tiene mayor ciencia, pero pues sí lleva muchas verduritas. Mire, y eso es todo, porque son al vapor. No se les antoja.
I came here when these boxes were empty, and now they're full and beautiful with this green produce. We are not only giving families these planter boxes, but we are also giving them the seeds and the starts and the tools and the compost to be successful and the education. So we're really hoping that people can learn from us here, and then they can pass on that knowledge with their kids and with their families so that the knowledge keeps going and growing.